Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. Pause, I'm back. Nigga, Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators, don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know, we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe, we're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't wanna trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, we'll take you to another place, and now you'll chase the red candle. Can't stand you. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the to the moon? We're going real soon. I said it, so change your attitude and your tune. This is the Wall Street Beat Show. Wall Street! Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto every day? We go for the crypto news, crypto technical analysis. You hit the like, you hit the subscribe, talk about going to the moon. And damn, well, we're not going soon today, unless you're shorting this. So please, if you are interested in the crypto space, hit the bell, hit the all notifications, the best crypto channel in the space. Wanted to give you a little pep talk this morning. And if you caught last night's video, you're in luck because we talked about the bloodbath. It was titled there for you. 19.2 was a big problem. Well, here I am discussing my strategy with you this morning, and I'm going to talk about where I'm planning on heading. And this morning I was en route, and I felt like I had to give you a quick pep talk before we came with this live video. And if you pay attention to the daily candle, this daily candle is really ripping through down. Looking at the daily candle trading view on this chart right here for Bitcoin, a couple levels I want to talk about. Well, I am dollar cost averaging in. I have an order to fill. I have an order to buy more crypto viral. Good morning to you in the super chat here. 18,000. I'm looking to get and stack my bags on the Bitcoin price. If you're interested in the rest of the market and what's happening as everything is getting decimated, this will probably continue for a little bit more here. I'm looking to see if perhaps we can catch this 18,000. I also have an order for 16,500. I apologize to anybody who may be surprised with this news, but this is cryptocurrency. It is still early, and if you would like to become a millionaire, or perhaps have a chance to stack your bags and become one, this is now the opportunity we are facing here. Not financial advice, just a gentleman twice as nice. If you see here, we built support all the way at November 2022. This is only a 2-year thing here. I've noticed in the past 2 years, we've been doing something rather amazing. And every 2 years, I see a big pump, big fall. It's a 4-year cycle, ladies and gentlemen. 2 years up, 2 years down. Seems to be something happening. We've been doing 2 years down nonstop. If you look at this price here from the 16.5, and yes, this is what I'm paying attention to. I hope that this is the last hurrah. This is the last fall. This is my strategy. Please pay attention. As I said, fall below the 19.2 would create a bloodbath. And now the bloodbath is here, and not sure if you're prepared or if you're ready. This is why you hit the like and subscribe. Technical analysis will get you prepared. I would expect something similar here. Was hoping for the week to come through bullish. I was incorrect on there. But looking at this relative strength index on the 4 hourly and the daily, as we currently look at the daily, we're pretty low. As you can see here, the short time frame, we are much lower. Looking for a big bounce here, but there could be some dead cat bounces, not over until the trend is over. So pay attention to that. Be careful. 18,000 could be very well repetitive here, and I do see that happening here, as it did happen all the way in June of this month. That just passed previously 2 months ago of the 19th. So pay attention to what's happening. We could be retesting that, reliving that
that area, and then we could get a pull up to the upside. That would be something to pay attention to. Just technical analysis, giving you preparation for perhaps a jump. And as you can see here on the RSI level, pretty low. Been here before a few times, as you can see, August 18th, and obviously, like I said, that June that just happened 2 months ago. So if we're getting a repetitive bounce to the upside, I just wanted to go over this with everyone. Big importance. And what's happening? Why is everybody selling? Well, this is the target rate probabilities for 21 of the September month, coming in just 2 days. This is the Feds getting ready to meet the 20th through the 21st. The probability, the chances of perhaps going up the rate of 75 ticks, or perhaps 1% 100 basis points. Currently right now at 20%, so we'll see what happens. It seems like right now 75 basis points is the biggest probability. We'll see what goes on here. But as we get closer to September 20th and 21st, the Feds, they're going to meet, and we're going to see if they can fix this. What is going to happen here? Well, if they do pull it up to 75 basis points, I do believe we'll be okay. We'll bounce off here. If we go all the way to 100 basis points, that's probably where the 16.5 is going to kick in. They're doing a little too much. I don't expect that high of a rate, but I did think it was a possibility. So we'll see what happens here. Fed's looking to raise the rate here and fix the inflation that we are currently facing, and over, as you can see here. Worst case scenario from June 19th here at the 18,000. I have an order fill. Excuse me. Worst case, I'm sorry, I meant to say all the way to here, coming from that time frame, which is the November 24th of 2020. So if we're going to repeat the November 2020, it is now coming November 2020. I expect a huge bounce. So if this is what happens, get ready for Bitcoin either here or here. These are the basically situations. These are I want to say I prep you on technical analysis of what could happen next. So a couple levels to give you, couple levels to watch. These are the big major factors. I will be dollar cost averaging in at these two prices here. Please do a screenshot if you'd like. Please be careful. I believe this is the final bottom. I know it sounds like a broken record, right? 17.7 was the bottom. Now this might be the bottom. Who the hell knows what is really happening? Unfortunately, nobody knows what the absolute bottom is until we confirm the bull trend flippening. So as I was saying this morning, we don't know what the bottom line is here until we actually get there and confirm to the peak. I believe now finally 24.4. That'll be the price. That'll be the confirmation. It used to be 40,000, but the way we're falling now, I expect to see if we break above that 24.5, we're going to get a parabolic move to the upside, and that's going to be something to pay attention to when that does occur. So currently, right now, nowhere near that price. Still looking to fall. As I told you, I do plan on seeing some more falls happening. The total crypto market cap has recovered from a 900 billion. We lost 100 billion from the 1 trillion market cap we did establish last month. So if you're paying attention to these sort of things, watch what's going on. Ethereum Classic is down 12%, and it does seem that Ethereum is running the market. Yes, the Ethereum merge has been a success, but it was not by the news, right? It was by the rumor. It was by the news, sell the rumor effect, excuse me, as we're dyslexic on Monday. And as you can see here, that's exactly what's happening. Went to Instagram real quick. Wanted to show some people what they may be missing, and maybe not have to see it on Instagram. But let's look at the daily chart for Bitcoin as we have. Jumping, as you can see, the past 2 days have been a nightmare. That's pretty clear to see. Then you go to Lunic. Go to Terra Classic, and as you can see, the past 2 days, it's the exact opposite. So the people are putting their money into Terra Classic, and that's probably what is going on. So if you tune in and you pay close attention to what is happening, there is a major resistance level at the 3,300 level. 3 levels for Luna Classic, and we're actually getting a jump to the upside. Let's see if the inverted does continue to fall to the 200 level. I think there's a chance to come back with a dead cat. If not, the dead cat bounce was at the 25 inverted head, and now we're going to basically punch back up, and you'll see an inverted head and perhaps a shoulder being created, and I think that's what's happening. And I am still in this trade. Terra Classic, I still bought the dip at 25 and 2,700. Did not sell out, did not get scared, and getting ready to take profits at either the 33 level or that 4,100 that I said huge resistance will come. So pay attention to what's happening. I do see that these people here are giving you the opposite effect. Crypto is now finding Bitcoin itself, supported the 18.7, and now, as you can see here, Luna is basically jumping to the upside. Hit a first place on DraftKings $5 game. That's awesome. I love when that happens. We do the picks, NFL picks, and it seems like we have been missing on one game each week. It's been pretty nuts. I did not expect the Bengals to lay flat on their ass against the Dallas Dak Prescott-less Cowboys. So that hurt us, big hurt us. I knew the Colts had a chance to screw us, so I did hedge my bet against the Colts, and just did not expect the Bengals to do what they did. Jimmy Garoppolo's back, so we'll be back on the 49er train. I expect the 49ers to be back in action. And what's happening here? Like I said, head and shoulders pattern being developed. Inverted head down here. Right shoulder for Terra Classic. So I may have to change the title and say a little bit of Terra Luna at the end. Luna Classic here. I believe on this chart for the 4 hourly, we're delivering a nice shoulder to the 3,300. So if you want to take on this trade, you may want to take it to the 3,300. What's going to happen? Well, then Bitcoin is probably going to start bouncing to the upside pretty high. And then we're going to find ourselves somewhere at the 20,000. 19.2, as I said, that would be a problem. Well, dead cat bounce could be happening, as you see here. So pay attention to the crypto space. I do believe this is what is happening. 18,000 price can be purchased, and then that could take us right back to the upside. So we'll see what happens. That could be over and done with right from there. This is dead cat bounce coming, and there is a further effect to the downside coming. Don't get excited. Don't FOMO into this BS. This is a dead cat bounce. This is a 4 hourly of 2 candles going to the upside. Very non-dramatic, nothing to really pay attention to, but just buy the dip. Perhaps, like I said, you'll see this come in, dead cat bounce, and then probably you'll be able to buy at 18. So I'm Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. If you want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto, this is the place where you hit the like, hit the subscribe. We talk about going on a ride. We talk about crypto news, technical analysis. One of the best to do it on here. Worked on the New York Mercantile Exchange here in Manhattan. Off Vesey Street. It is now the Van Gogh Museum. Beautiful building. I miss this building so much. I miss all the people who traded in there. Once a place where I worked for a decade in the open outcry, screaming and yelling, trying to fight my way into like an offensive lineman or defensive lineman, trying to get through the line here to get to my broker, to get to his trades, to let him know his margin, profit, loss. These are all the things we had to do quick. You had to be good and you had to be quick. And I learned from some of the best traders in the world from here. And this is why we have established such a great rapport here and built such a wonderful group of wolves. All-time high of subscribers. I appreciate you very much. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'm going on other people's channels. I'm browsing. I'm watching other people's technical analysis for fun, critiquing it, obviously, as I can. When you're pretty good at what you do, you can critique others. And I can't believe some of these people even have 200,000 subscribers. They offer nothing. All they're saying is buy the dip and sell it high, and people are loving them. Wait till you find out a gentleman who actually does real technical analysis. Have a wonderful day. Wall Street Pete, sick dough and crypto. The next 2 days are going to be very, very important as the Feds are going to meet up. We talked about a 75 basis point or perhaps 1%, 100 basis points. We'll see which one the Feds decide to do. So the next 2 days is going to be very high volatile waves. Understand that this is very common. We'll pay attention to the levels I talk about buying in. This is my strategy, not financial advice. You have a wonderful day. Take care. And Lyric, I see you. Good morning to you as well. Hit the bell, all notification if you choose to. Tell me what asset you would like Wall Street Pete to go over in the next video. Perhaps we pick your asset. I'll be watching in the comments. Dollar cost average in. Be very careful. That is the best method to trade if you do not know what the hell is going on in this market. Take care. Be safe. Wall Street Pete. Until the next video.